What's up guys, welcome back to today's video, which is part of a mini series all week long guys. We are talking about DIY, do-it-yourself, at-home skincare and face masks. You know, here on my channel we talk about luxury skincare all the time, but something we haven't talked about is natural and organic skincare. So this whole week is dedicated to DIY and at-home face masks that don't contain any of those nasty chemicals, so no harmful side effects, no grossness, just all natural skincare. So make sure you check out every video in this playlist. I'll have it linked down below so you don't miss a single one. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Trevor. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you go and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not new to my channel, hi, welcome back. Let's dive right into today's video guys, another DIY face mask. Alright guys, so today's natural DIY face mask contains 3 simple ingredients, and that is a big luscious lemon, honey, and green tea. This at-home face mask is going to be fantastic at hydrating the skin, really moisturizing and plumping the skin. The lemon is going to tone and brighten, and the green tea is going to help with acne. I mean, this face mask sounds almost too good to be true to be all natural. Alright, so I'm just going to take my honey here. I'm going to go ahead and add a big squirt. Oh, ow, it kind of got me in the eye. Of lemon. Let's get this all in here. Now you may have seen people use green tea in face masks before where they steep it and they just use the green tea essence. Nope, we are clipping the tea bag right open and we're going to add this green tea directly into our honey and lemon concoction. Ooh, I'm going to add it all in there. Ooh, it's so thick and goopy and delicious. I mean, that green tea is not the most appetizing, but I mean, ooh, it smells delicious. Ooh, it smells like I could eat it. Because this is all natural and organic week here on my channel, I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers to apply it. Normally, I would use a brush. If you guys have seen my channel before, I always use a bougie face mask brush. But keeping in the theme of the week, let's go ahead and just use our fingers. Let's slather this all over the skin. I can feel it running everywhere. It feels kind of disgusting, but you know. These green tea particles are almost giving my face a nice exfoliation as well. That honey feels so moisturizing and comforting. Honey is an acne treatment prevention packed full of antioxidants and vitamins. It's so nourishing to the skin. It promotes anti-aging. It's great for acne prevention, at healing zits and pimples, really getting rid of that acne. It's also said to lighten skin and fade scarring. That squirt of lemon that we added is really great for fading dark spots and really lightening that pigmentation over time. Great for sunspots and discoloration. It's also packed full of vitamin C and citric acid and amazing at getting rid of blackheads. And green tea is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, great at healing acne, getting rid of pimples. It's also great at eliminating blackheads, as well as fantastic for oily skin. It works amazing for oil prevention. So I'll let this sit on my skin for about 3 minutes and then I'll give it a quick rinse. I'll meet you guys right back here. Oh my gosh, I am pleasantly surprised guys. When I rinse this face mask off, the honey really coated the skin, really moisturized. It feels so plump and dewy. Oh my goodness. Those green tea leaves really help to exfoliate the skin, so my skin feels so soft and smooth. It feels so hydrated, so plump. I don't know if this is because of the lemon juice, but my skin is definitely brighter. It looks way more alert, way more fresh and hydrated. I mean, just look at this. Doing these DIY face masks is like the best thing I've ever discovered. Why did I wait this long? I can't believe this was only honey, green tea, and lemon. What? I mean, I'm used to spending like 50 bucks on a face mask here. This is all mind-blowing. I think this face mask was fantastic for hydrating, exfoliating. I mean, this is definitely something I'm gonna try again. And that guys is a wrap on this DIY lemon, honey, and green tea face mask. Who knew at-home face masks, DIY skincare could be so good, so amazing? I mean, wow. I'm so happy that I started this series. So like I said at the beginning, make sure you check out all the other videos. I'll have them linked down below in an entire playlist, and we can see what other fun DIY treasures we can uncover with things that you have literally in your own kitchen. Don't forget to comment down below. I love to hear from you guys. I always reply. If you want more of me in between now and next video, you know exactly where to find me, and that's on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. Until tomorrow's video, guys, I can't wait to see you then. Bye.